Building GetResponse from scratch might sound intimidating, but I'm here to show you how to do it quickly and effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up and use GetResponse, plus some alternatives that could work even better for your goals. So let's dive right in. First off, GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing platform that lets you create email campaigns, build landing pages, manage your contacts, and even set up automated workflows. If you're looking to start building your online marketing system from scratch, GetResponse can be a great option, but there are a few things you'll want to consider. Next thing, when you first log in, you'll want to set up your account. It's straightforward, but you do need to enter some basic information, like your business name and address, so GetResponse can comply with anti-spam regulations. This is something a lot of users overlook, but it's crucial if you want your emails to land in the inbox and not the spam folder. Once that's set up, you can start building your first email list. GetResponse gives you a variety of options for this, including importing contacts from a CSV file, syncing with third-party apps, or even creating a sign-up form directly within the platform. However, be mindful of your data quality. It's easy to get carried away importing a large list, but if your list isn't engaged or targeted, your emails will suffer in the long run. The fourth thing to consider is creating your first email campaign. GetResponse has a drag-and-drop email editor that makes it easy to build visually appealing emails, even if you don't have design skills. But while the editor is user-friendly, it's not as flexible as some other platforms when it comes to advanced customizations. If you're looking for more robust design features, you might find GetResponse a bit limiting. Now let's talk about automation. GetResponse offers a powerful automation builder, which allows you to set up triggers, like when someone subscribes to your list or clicks a link in your email. But, and this is where GetResponse falls short for some users, the interface can feel a little clunky when building out complex workflows. You might find yourself spending more time than you expect just trying to organize your automation steps. If you need something more intuitive, this might be a pain point. The next thing is landing pages. With GetResponse, you can easily build landing pages, which is a big plus. However, these pages aren't as customizable as those in some other tools, and the templates can feel a little outdated. They'll work fine for a basic lead generation campaign, but if you want something more sophisticated, you might feel limited here as well. Finally, let's talk about pricing. GetResponse is priced fairly, especially considering its all-in-one nature. But when you compare it to alternatives like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign, you might find that some of the higher-tier features in GetResponse aren't as intuitive or seamless as they could be. Depending on what you need, the extra features might not justify the higher cost, especially if you're just getting started. Now, before I wrap up, I'll let you know that there's an exclusive offer to GetResponse's extended free trial, so you can try it out and see if it's the right fit for you. However, I've also highlighted some amazing alternatives that could be better suited for your specific goals, especially if you want more advanced features or an easier-to-use interface. These alternatives come with free trials as well, so you can explore them risk-free. Check the link in the description to grab the best free trial and exclusive benefits for our viewers.